Alright, so check this out. One way to keep your windows and windshields from freezing over and fogging over during this inclement weather is cheap shaving cream. All you need to do, put it on there, wipe it in real good. See there? Smear it really good. You do it! Let that dry up. Take your egg and go ahead and hit your other windows, hit your windshield, your back glass, your mirrors, everything. Just smear it on real good, nice and thick. Let that dry. You know, yes, it's going to make a little bit of a mess on your hands and all that, but it's just shaving cream. Ain't going to hurt a thing. But you let that dry, and you go just like this, and just buff it all off. Buff it all completely off, and you'll
wax on, wax off.
See, it's going to clean. See that stuff coming off? It's going to clean your windows. Plus, it's going to put a film on that glass. It's going to keep them from fogging up. That is one quick, cheap way to keep your windows from freezing over and fogging up this winter. All right, see? I've already done that side, cleaned it all off. Now I'm going to do the driver's side. See, I've got it. I've got the film already sprayed on there with the shaving cream. Here it is, right here. See? Cheap shaving cream. Just the cheaper, the better. This is a super inexpensive thing to do here. Make another blooper video just trying to get up there. Look here, you just clean it off real good. And it's going to leave a nice little film. It's going to clean off all your nasty bugs and stuff too. But you'll be thankful when you get up in the morning to go to work and your windshield's not all fogged over and froze over. You don't have to cover it. Look at that. That's all there is to it. That's it. Quick and simple. See that nice little clean film? Look there. Nice and clean. It'll even smell good. Smell like fresh shaving cream. It just leaves a little bit of a film. And that ice and that fog won't stick to it. So, anyway, hope you enjoy. Leave me a comment after you try it and tell me what you think. Tell me if it worked for you. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know how it works. And as always, God bless and stay safe.